New from Walkers is the FireMax Hearing Protection System. This model is loaded with features like slim, low-profile design, a digital audio circuit. It's rechargeable with low noise, frequency tuned for natural sound clarity. Has an auto shut-off, digital soft touch silent buttons, 200 milliamp battery life, IP54 rated with 4 frequency modes: universal, clear voice, high frequency boost, and power boost. The rubber Tacti-Grip headband is matched with cooling gel ear pads, the most comfortable there is. The model has full dynamic HD speakers for a clear and balanced sound. Utilizes sound activated compression and sound dampening composite housing. The model has 3.5mm audio jacks that work perfectly with the walkie-talkie system. This model has a noise reduction rating of 20 to 23. Next up is the FireMax Behind the Neck model. This behind the neck model works perfectly under hard hats. Has the same digital audio circuit, it's rechargeable, low noise and frequency tuned for natural sound clarity, has the auto shut-off, the 200 milliamp lithium battery, an IP54 rating with 4 frequency modes: universal, clear voice, high frequency boost, and power boost. The model includes cooling gel ear pads and a full dynamic HD speaker for a clear and balanced sound. Utilizing Walker's sound activated compression with sound dampening composite housing, this gives this unit a 20 to 23 noise reduction rating. Next is the FireMax walkie-talkie accessory. This integrates seamlessly with the FireMax Muff. It operates off of an FRS frequency band, main, sub-channel, and priority channel settings, and it's powered by the FireMax large lithium battery. It has an adjustable antenna, a large backlit LCD screen, with the ability to control volume muff and mode selection via the walkie-talkie.